Hello guys, how are you doing? Do you see what a beautiful day it is? Got a nice breeze going on. Yeah, I got the bottom part of the window open here because I still gotta do quarantine. It's actually day 7 in it. Got that beautiful tree blowing. I mean, you appreciate this stuff when you can't go out into it. But I'm day 7 into the quarantine. The only new symptoms I've gotten is going from hot to cold within a flash. And my throat is killing me. I'm still waiting to hear whether it's positive or not, but I'm hoping it's not. Because, hey, I mean, it is what it is, okay? If it turns out to be COVID-19, I'll deal with it. I had a great-great-grandmother that lived to be one day shy of 100. I should say a great-grandmother that lived to be shy one day of 100. Holy crap. So, I'm not worried about too much. I just don't want other people, like the lady across the hall with me, that's on dialysis, to get it. So, I will see you guys later.